You won't believe this, but most hackers don't start with coding. They start with something way simpler. And today, I'm going to show you the hacking skills that no one talks about, ones that can make you unstoppable online. Did you know? The biggest security threats aren't advanced codes or viruses. It's you. That's right, social engineering hacks work because people underestimate them. Imagine this. A stranger calls your bank pretending to be you. They drop just one piece of personal info they found online, and boom, they're inside your account. No coding needed. Scary, right? But how do hackers find your data so easily? The answer will shock you, and I'll show you exactly how to protect yourself. Hackers use OSINT, open source intelligence. They dig through your social media, public records, even Google searches. Ever posted your pet's name? Congrats, you just gave away a password hint. And if you think this won't happen to me, guess what? It already has. You just don't know it yet. Here's how to fight back. 1. Use a password manager. One strong password for everything. 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Seriously, do it now. 3. Stop oversharing online. No more first pet, first car posts. Want to go deeper? If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you want to master more hacking skills, both offensive and defensive, subscribe now.